Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant force shutdown and restart PC. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately there is not one solution that works for everybody, so you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to check for overheating. Overheating is a common cause of unexpected shutdowns during gaming. If your CPU or GPU overheats, your PC may force a shutdown to prevent damage. You can download and use the monitoring tool like HWMonitor or MSI Afterburner to check your system temperature while playing Valorant. If temperature executes safe limits, example 85 degree for CPU, 90 degree for GPU, clean your PC's fan, apply fresh thermal paste to CPU or improve airflow by using cooling pads or additional fans. If needed, underclock the GPU, CPU or lower the game's graphics settings to reduce system load. Second step, you just need to update the graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. Third step, you just need to reinstall Riot Vanguard. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Click on the system tray. If Riot Vanguard is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. After that, scroll down and find Riot Vanguard. Just right click on it and select uninstall and select yes. After uninstalling Riot Vanguard, just close stuff here and open up Valorant. Select the update option to install the Vanguard. Select yes. Once reinstalled, you just need to restart your PC again and try launching the game. Fourth step, you just need to run Valorant as administrator. To do this, right click on the Valorant and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now launch the game and see if the issue persists. Fifth step, you just need to disable overclocking. If you have overclocked your CPU or GPU, it may cause system instability when playing Valorant. You just need to enter your BIOS or overclocking software and reset your CPU GPU to their default clock speeds and save the changes and restart your PC and then launch the Valorant and check if the shutdown or restart issue persists. Sixth step, you just need to disable fast startup. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select hardware and sound. Select power options. On left side, select choose what the power buttons do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck turn on fast startup over here and then select save changes option. And now you just need to select the change plan setting next to the selected one and select change advanced power settings. You just need to expand the hard disk over here and turn off hard disk after. Click on the setting and type here never. Caps letter N NEVER. After typing it, select apply and OK. And now you just need to close stuff here. Seventh step, you just need to run a Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. To do this, go to search menu and type MD SCHED.exe. Comes up MD SCHED.exe. Click on it. Select restart now and check for problems. And your PC will restart and the diagnostic tool will scan for any issues with your RAM. If any errors are detected, consider replacing the faulty RAM. Eighth step, you just need to check for power supply unit. If your power supply unit is faulty or underpowered, it may cause your system to restart unexpectedly, especially during gaming when the GPU or CPU are under load. Ensure that your power supply unit provides enough power to support your hardware, CPU, GPU, etc., especially if you are using a powerful graphics card. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Valorant force shutdown and restart PC issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.